Welcome to Forex Bunker's weekly analysis. I'm going to start off with GJ, and this week we got our push down that we had been waiting for, which down to our 140 zone, which is really nice. I really hope you guys got some pips this week from this huge push down. You notice it has stopped at this support and resistance zone. So it would be very interesting to see what we do next week. I anticipate a little bit of a push up. To what level, unsure. And then the continued push down. But the trade that you guys, I would suggest that you watch out for is when we return to this line. Maybe this week, maybe next week, doesn't really matter. But when we return to this line, it'll be an excellent opportunity for a short. Pending price action, of course. Let's have a look at a little bit of a lower time frame. What happened this week? This is the daily chart of GJ. After our initial gap, about 100 pip gap that we had at the start, we pushed up and into two dojis. These dojis were quite a nice sign that the market was ready to push down, but we would have needed a little bit lower time frame for an entry there. And the last 2 days were nothing but bears pushing it down. And then, as I said just before, the nice stop on this one, around this 140 zone. On to GU, our wedge that was forming has broken. It was quite a strong break, just like GJ happened. The bears were in the game on GU this week. And another thing to note, we actually broke this support and resistance line and the swing point quite easily. We actually closed below it. So it'll be very interesting to see if the market does gap on Monday when it opens. Yeah, it'll be good. Now the trade and the direction of GU this week, I anticipate this pretty much the same as GJ. A push down and then an up back to this line, ready for a short. We might, really depending on the gap, on what happens. But as you can see, there's a lot of area of congestion around here. So from here to here should be smooth sailing if it's going down. But under here, things could get a little choppy. So we'll just wait and see. I don't think we'll be getting down this level in the this week coming. We'll just have a quick look at the 4-hour time frame on the GU and what happened this week. From our open, was it not a little bit pushed down, and then a retracement to this zone of interest up here. Now, if you trade support and resistance lines and things like that, you would have been in here for this whole ride down, which would have been quite nice for you. Let's see what that whole move is. If you stayed in the hole too, nearly 500 pips. But yeah, as you can see, it was price did pull back to this zone of interest or support and resistance area, and moved down very strongly from then on. It was only for a quick breather here, and the rest was pretty much down. So yeah, I hope you got some pips from GU this week. Thanks for watching the weekly analysis by Forex Bunker. Come and join the community at forexbunker.com. Have a great week.